So it's beer 30, guys, but Mikey and Tony just got back from their drive, and apparently we're having smoking issues again. So if you guys remember last time, Tony was having some issues with the turbo smoking, and it is definitely smoking again. Wow, yeah, that's not, a little bit of smoke is okay. That's oh boy,
that's a mini campfire, I thought.
Yeah, that
shit.
Yeah, you guys probably can't even see this on camera right now, but it is smoking pretty heavily, actually. If we actually had a light on, you could probably see it a little bit more.
It's so hard to see where it's like originating from, you know?
I thought originally it was a drain issue, but I mean, his drain is straight, as you guys can see, it's straight up and down, so it's draining properly. I'm not sure if, is the line clogged, or is it too much? Is it the oil feed too large? I don't know.
I know there's a restrictor on this.
There is a restrictor.
There's a restrictor.
Okay, so we do have a restrictor. I know precision turbos do require them, unlike Borg Warners, which you can just run a straight -3 or straight -4 and it'll just let it eat. So that is a little weird. All right, guys, we'll have to take a look into it here. So I was just showing Tony here, going closer. Let me get in here real quick. It's hard to see here, guys, but down there by the fitting, hopefully I can use digital and I'll just point an arrow to it. There's like a rubber O-ring on there. Why they put a rubber O-ring there, I have no idea, but it's pressing out past that, pushing out, the oil pressure is pushing out past it. I think it just needs a crush washer, like a brush crush washer, to might fix it, or a direct feed-in style AN fitting. So I think if you do that, I think your smoking issues will go away and you won't have to worry about this turbo anymore. I'm just, you can see the oil residue around it, dude, and I think that's what it is. Again, think that there's no way there should be a rubber O-ring there. It just doesn't make any sense. All right, guys, so we're getting ready to head to Mexico real quick. Me and my buddy Tony are hiring professional drivers to go to Mexico real quick to handle this. How much power do you make on 93 pump gas?
I think it's like 604 wheel.
604, I made 650 at 7,000 RPM. I'm gonna be revving to 7,200 today. The only downside I have is I'm hoping 110%, as long as it stays under 100 degrees, I should have them. My IAT will fuck me up and I will, yeah, it turns the boost off pretty much and I'm fucked.
Well, the other interesting thing to think about is we have different transmissions.
Yeah, he has a V160, I'm R154, so that might make a difference too. I don't know, gearing wise. And you revved to 7,500, right? And I revved to 7,200. So yeah, that should be, I'm kind of excited right now. We need to get to Mexico, bro. Let's go ahead and pop over to Mexico. Go ahead, what do you think, Mike? What's your...
I don't know. I think Ryan's scared. I honestly think he is. Tony's over there smiling.
What do you think?
I don't know. It's definitely close. I don't know how like.
It's all definitely gonna be very, very close.
I don't know how like different the whole transmission situation is.
He's 6 speed. His gear ratio is closer than mine.
I want to see Tony on corn. That's
where. Yeah, that wouldn't even be close. Yeah, that's not even like even a doubt in my mind.
I don't know, man. As it is, it's really tough. I
mean, if the numbers are real, then you should beat me.
Yeah, right?
Minus the transmission. That's the only other factor. Horsepower to horsepower, you got more horsepower.
As long as it says under 100 degrees, I'm good. Because over 100 degrees, and so that's the only thing I'm worried about. If I can put like an ice bag over top of it before I ran, I'd be golden.
Excuses, here they come, boys.
You need to get one of those like air dusters and turn it upside down.
Yeah, seriously.
I can pee on it.
The pee's warm, bro. 96 degrees. Well, 96 degrees. Hey, you know what? That's actually
colder than 100.
Yeah, it's colder than 100. So we go. They don't lower the temperature. We'd be golden.
Gotcha.
Literally golden.
All right, guys. So I'm in the car right now. We just did a quick little lap there just to go around, but sitting still right now, I'm at 86 fucking degrees. I need to figure out a way to get that down out of the intake manifold down into the actual intercooler pipe so it actually reads a proper IAT. It just kills me because like I know when I start cruising here it gets up to like 130 degrees and that's it. I mean, once it gets up that high I can adjust the ECU, but when the tuner set it up, you know, it was set to be at a safe point, blah blah blah. Realistically the intake temperature is not that. It's going to be around probably 80 degrees, maybe 70 degrees. I have a 4-inch intercooler on this, so it should be working properly, but oh well. I'm hoping everything goes okay. If not, I'll be golden, but if, yeah, we'll see. Talk about this real quick. So you guys saw there, you probably didn't get that well in video. Those guys probably got it better, but I was like, that was a little too good. I was like, god damn, I blowing his doors off. That doesn't make sense. It should have been a lot closer.
Ryan is killing it right now.
And I was like,
He's something was off. He just like.
Yeah, something was not, because we were taking off like pretty close. I was like, yeah, this is gonna be good. I said, maybe it won't be so bad. And then I was like, wait a second. My car's quick, but it ain't that fast. Something's fucked up.
As soon as I pulled forth, I mashed the gas, and then I just heard a pop, and then like everything felt like it went dead. I'm like, what the fuck is that?
So guys, the throttle cable just let loose on him. So it didn't happen in the engine bay, which would have been a little bit easier to fix. We're gonna go underneath the car here and try to fix on the pedal. Luckily, we have some, what are these called again? Damn it.
Allen wrenches.
Allen wrenches. I'm too like adrenaline going right now, but yeah. So Mexico, yeah, this is amazing. All right, guys, so thankfully my driver did a great job in Mexico. I am very, very happy right now. We got 2 runs in. The first run you guys saw there, the driver for Tony's car here, the actual throttle cable didn't snap, it came undone inside. So the throttle cable inside down by the pedal actually came undone. Luckily the driver was able to put it all back together on the side of the road and take care of it. So we're good to go there. And the second run, I just edged out. I can't believe it. Like, we're literally the same car. We're both, and with my ITs up, I was only making 17 PSI, which was a gradual. It wasn't instantaneous. He was 17 PSI, and this car kind of took off because his turbo spool's better, dual ball bearing precision versus my journal bearing S366. But it was still really, really close. And then whatever that turbo on the top end just kept, it was like a choo-choo train. It just kept going. So I got really fortunate there. Yeah, very happy with the way things turned out. Very happy that Tony was able to come down today, guys. This was fun. We're definitely having
as always, dude.
this. We always get a ton of footage in. We always get a ton of things in like this. This is always a great time. Again, guys, please do me a favor. Go check out his YouTube and his Instagram, Stance Stagger Media. Link down below. Tony does all sorts of cool stuff too. He also does photography. I'll link that photography business down below too.
Yeah, we actually got some really sick photos last night. You'll see them.
Oh, dude, yes, you're right.
You'll see them posted up. We got some light painting photography. Took the cars out at night. Got some long exposure shots. So yeah, if you want to see more stuff like that, check out my Instagram, Stance Stagger Media. Really appreciate it.
Yep, so that's it, guys. This was a great video. I'll go to my car here too. As I said before, unfortunately the boost control is there, but it's not doing much good. Again, I need to get that IAT that's right there moved down into intercooler pipe, because as I was talking to Tony, his was actually at like 70 or 80 degrees when sitting still, where mine sitting still is like 130, 135. Sitting up in the intake manifold like that is just killing me. So as soon as I get it moved, I think I'll be a lot better off. With that all being said, guys, do me a big favor. Go down below, check out the Facebook and Instagram. I'm always posting stuff way ahead of time. Also, go check out the Pure Function website. New hats, shirts, all sorts of new merch on there. Keychains, you name it, I got it. Thank you guys very much, and I will talk to you later.
was a sight for my soul.